Let us solve few get past questions on contour. Question number 1. A site map drawn to 1:10,000 scale shows 6 contour lines at 5 meter contour interval. The highest contour elevation is 250 meters. The lowest contour elevation is 225 meters. The average distance between the highest and the lowest contour lines on the map is 2.1 centimeter. What is the average slope between the highest and the lowest contour elevations? Option A 1 in 25, option B 1 in 21, option C 1 in 30, option D 1 in 8. Let us see how to solve the problem. Here scale is given as 1:10,000. Difference between highest and lowest contour, that is the elevation, small h, we can find it out. 250 minus 225 equal to 25 meter. The distance represented in map is given as 2.1 centimeter. We have to find the average slope. So we know that the scale is equal to map distance by the ground distance. Scale is 1/10,000. Map distance is given as 2.1 centimeter. So we can find the ground distance. Let us tell it as x. We can find it out as 21,000 centimeter. So if we convert into meter, that means divide by 100, we get the ground distance x is equal to 210 meter. So how we can find out the slope? Slope is equal to the elevation divided by the horizontal or the ground distance. That means 25 divided by 210. Now if we have to convert it into 1 something, so what we have to do? Numerator you make it as 1 and that 25 you bring it down over here. So 1 divided by 210 by 25. So it converts into 1 in 8. So the slope is represented like this way. Also remember over here that if we have to find the percentage slope, the formula for the percentage slope is rise divided by the run, that is h by small x into 100. Let us see next question. Common data for questions. Number 1. The scale of a contour map is 1:10,000 and the contour interval is 5 meter. Distance between two given points on the map is 2 centimeter and the elevation difference between the two given points is 10 meter. Question number 1. The actual distance between the two given points in meter would be 2, 20, 200 or 2000. 4 options are given. Second part of the question is the slope between two given points in percentage is option A 2.5, option B 10, option C 15, option D 20. Let us see how to solve it. Scale of the map is given as 1:10,000. Contour interval is given as 5 meter. Distance between two points in map is given as 2 centimeter. We convert it into meter, divide by 100, so it is 0.02 meter. Now scale is equal to 1/10,000 and that is equal to the distance between the points in map by the actual distance, that means the map distance by the ground distance. So from here the actual distance x we are finding as 200 meter. So that is the option C. Second part, slope is equal to, as we have just seen, the formula of slope is rise by run into 100. So how much is the rise? 5. How much is the run? 200. If we multiply it by 100, we are getting it as 2.5%. So that is the option A. A site has 6 contour lines and the length of the line joining the midpoints of the highest contour and the lowest contour is 300 meter. If the slope of the line is 1:10, then the contour interval in meter is 5, 6, 50 or 60. 4 options are there. In this problem, contour lines, that is n, is given as 6. Length between two contours, that is x, is given as 300 meter. Slope is given as 1:10. We have to find out the contour interval, that is h dash. Let us see. We know that the slope is given as what? 1 by 10, and the formula of slope is rise by run, that is h by x. So x value is given as 300, that is the length between two contours. So from here we can find out the value of h, that is run. Value of h is 30 meter. So first we have found out. Now contour interval, that is the CI, the formula to find the contour interval is equal to rise divided by n minus n, that is the number of contour lines minus 1. So that comes out to be 30 divided by 6 minus 1, that is 6. So option is B. A site map shows 5 contour lines. A line drawn across the lowest and the highest contour measures 125 meter and has a slope of 8%. Determine contour interval. Option A 5, option B 2.5, option C 10, option D 2. Let us see over here. Contour lines, N is given as 5. X, that is the length between two contours, is given as 125 meter. Slope is given as 8%, that is 8 by 100 we can write. We have to find the contour interval. So slope is equal to 8 by 100, that is given, and the formula is rise by run. Rise equal to h and run equal to 125, that is already given. So from here we can find out h equal to 10 meters. Now contour interval formula is the rise divided by the n minus 1. So 10 divided by 5 minus 1, that is 2.5. Option B is the correct answer. A site map shows 6 contour lines at 5 meter contour interval. The midpoint distances between the top and the bottommost contour lines is 600 meter. The site measures 100 by 100 meter. What is the slope between the above two midpoints? Option A 1 in 60, option B 1 in 24, option C 20%, option D 5%. Let us see how to solve the problem. Contour lines N is equal to 6 given. Contour interval is given as now 5. We know contour interval equal to rise divided by n minus 1. So put the value of contour interval as 5. Rise we have to find. N is given as 6. So 6 minus 1. So now you put the value over here and we get the value of rise h equal to 25 meter. Now distance between 2 points, that is x, is given as 600 meter. So the formula of slope is rise by run. So h by x, value of h is 25. X is what? 600. So if we have to convert it into 1 is to something, what we have to do? We bring the numerator below the denominator. So it converts it into be 1 in 24. That is option B. Next question. A depressed portion of a land is identified by 3 closed contours as shown in the figure below. The area bounded by 3 contour lines are 6 meter square, 24 meter square and 96 meter square respectively. The contour interval is 1 meter. Using prismoidal method, the volume of the earth needed to fill the land depression is, you have to find out it in meter cube. The range of the answer, correct answer is given as 65 to 76 meter cube. Let us see how much we get and whether it is correct or not or coming in this range. Let us see. Please note down the diagram. Let us see how to solve the problem. Here A1 is equal to 6 meter square, A2 equal to 24 meter square, A3 equal to 96 meter square. Contour interval is 1 meter, that is denoted as small h. We have to find the volume of the earthwork, that is capital V. The prismoidal formula, from the prismoidal formula, if you remember in the last video I have shown you the formula, that is the h by 3. Here h is what? Contour interval h value is 1. So 1 by 3 within bracket the first area, that is the A1. What it is? It is 6. And what is the last area? That is A3. That is what? 96. Bracket close. plus 4 times we have to take the even areas. So here even areas means A2 is there. So 4 into 24. So if we calculate, the value comes out to be 66 meter cube. In the answer it was given the range of the answer should be between 65 to 76. So this answer is correct. I have just shown you the trapezoidal method also to calculate the volume. If you remember, please refer my previous video on contours. There I have explained you the trapezoidal method. So if we solve the same problem by the trapezoidal method, so by trapezoidal method the volume comes out to be 75 meter cube. So this also comes into the range of 65 to 76.